Good morning, everyone. So, before I start, I would like to dedicate this video to Hari Matematik 2021 Pertandingan Video Kreatif Mathematics Day 2021 Creative Video Contest. Today, I would like to talk about the mind map created by my group for linear algebra. So first of all, why are we using a mind map? Well, mind maps are an effective method of learning about a certain topic because they use and implement things such as pictures, short phrases, as well as keywords for learners to better understand about a certain subject. The subtopic that I would like to discuss is subtopic 1.2, Gaussian elimination. First of all, we must understand what is echelon form. Echelon form, or better known as reduced echelon form, is better visualized if a row does not consist entirely of zeros. Then the first number, which is a non-zero number, would be a 1, as you can see here. And if there are any rows that consist entirely of zeros, then they are grouped together at the bottom of the matrix. If any successive rows that do not consist entirely of zeros contain a number, then there would be a leading one, which would be further to the right. And each column that contains a leading one has zeros everywhere else in the highest row. As you can see, there will also be free variables, or known as leading variables, here further to the right. Now that we know what echelon form is, we can know that if a linear system has infinitely many solutions, the set of parametric equations from which all solutions can be obtained by assigning values to the parameters is called a general solution of the system. Now that we know this, we can know the consideration in solving linear systems is important by using numerical analysis, and the elimination method for Gaussian elimination is Gauss-Jordan elimination, which consists of backward phase and forward phase. Some things to note in Gaussian elimination is that the first theorem, free variables theorem for homogeneous system, if a homogeneous linear system has n unknowns and if the reduced row echelon form of its augmented matrix has r non-zero rows, then the system has n r free variables. And then next, a homogeneous linear system with more unknowns than equations has infinitely many solutions. Some facts about echelon forms would be better as pivot position, pivot columns, pivot rows, and pivot of A. In conclusion, it's safe to say that Gaussian elimination is an effective way of constructing inverse matrices, as well as a practical method of inversing thousands of equations. I would like to give special acknowledgement and thanks to Department of Engineering Education, FKAB UKM, in assisting me as well as other students in completing our mind maps, as well as giving us adequate knowledge to complete our tasks. Thank you.